What did NDA do for this tsunami of votes? Uddhav Thackeray questions NDA's massive win in Maharashtra. Should Sena chief's doubts? Can farmers' woes and unemployment be ignored? Maharashtra's assembly elections result brought a major twist. Shiv Sena leader Uddhav Thackeray has raised a crucial question. What did the Mahayuti alliance do to deserve this tsunami of votes? As the NDA stormed to an overwhelming victory, securing over 230 seats, Uddhav expressed his surprise, wondering if the pressing issues of farmers' distress and unemployment had truly been addressed to justify such a massive electoral wave. The results reflect a tsunami, not just a wave, Uddhav said in a candid press briefing. But this excitement was tempered with skepticism. I still don't understand what they did to deserve this mandate. There are serious concerns in this state. Farmers are struggling. Unemployment is on the rise. Did these issues get solved? What changed in 4 months? In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the Maha Vikas Aghadi had stunned the BJP, with the alliance securing a significant victory. Fast forward to now, and the same alliance seems to be struggling with only around 60 constituencies showing any signs of life. How did this dramatic shift happen in just 4 months? Uddhav questioned, reflecting on the MVA's stark downfall. While Uddhav congratulated the NDA for its win, he was quick to express his hope for the future. I hope the Ladki Bahin Yojana is implemented properly and doesn't turn out to be an election gimmick. Farmers' debts must be cleared and all promises should be kept, he said. Was this election about more than just politics? I cannot believe that Maharashtra, the same state that stood by me and listened to me during the pandemic, would behave this way. Uddhav confessed, visibly disappointed with MVA's performance. His words echoed a sense of disbelief, questioning whether the electorate had been swayed by promises or their priorities had shifted in a manner he couldn't grasp. Uddhav also alluded to the fact that the election was held before the Supreme Court's verdict on the Shiv Sena symbol and name dispute. They had the symbol, they had the name, and yet this election was held. How did the outcome turn out like this? He asked, wondering whether this legal issue influenced the vote in ways yet to be fully understood. Who will be Maharashtra's next chief minister? Will reports swirling about Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis potentially stepping into the chief minister's role. Uddhav made it clear that the BJP's dominance would likely lead to their candidate taking the top post. It's clear that a BJP face will lead the state, he stated, reflecting on the party's stronghold over the political landscape.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.